Hello, Chef here, making roasted cauliflower. I'm going to share this recipe with you, and first you need to select really nice cauliflowers in the market. You can tell how fresh they are right here. This one's okay, it was picked about a week ago. So anytime you get a bad spot on there, you want to trim it off. Got another one here you can see right there. It's not going to hurt you, you just don't want to eat that stuff. So you remove the bad spots right off the cauliflower like this. Very quick, very easy. I'm using a 10-inch chef knife here today just because it's much easier to work with on these larger vegetables like this. Okay, we remove all the greens like this. All this goes in your compost. Okay, got all the bad spots off of there. Okay, for this particular recipe, I'd like to make some large slices. So I first cut it in half like that, lay the halves down, and then I'm going to just do some slices across like this. That's good. Ten cloves of garlic. Like this. Get a steamer basket going. Put it all in the steamer. And come back in 5 minutes. And then it goes from the steamer basket back to the bowl. Drizzle with the olive oil. Toss it once again. Spread it out on the cookie sheet, and in the oven it goes at 400 Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, 15 minutes later, it's about half roasted here. I'm using a spatula and just spreading it out, mainly to turn it over. Okay, looking good. This is going back in the oven to continue roasting. Let's put some fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Roast the cheese right in. Oh yeah, the finished roasted cauliflower. It's looking pretty good. You can go a little longer if you like. You can go a little longer if you like, but I'm just looking for this nice brown color here. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna serve some up and show it to you. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick. End grain rock maple. Oh yeah, there's a nice portion. I'm going to finish it with a little bit more Parmigiano Reggiano, as well as some chopped shallots that have been roasted, and a little bit of herbs de Provence, mostly to give it that little green color And wow, that is gonna be good. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Share, subscribe. It's gonna be good. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. My other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm going to eat that. Don't forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade cut. Just like that. Some of that's going to go on my pasta, of course. Yeah, notice how sharp that knife is and how nice this cut is there. Looking really good. Please like, share, subscribe. Smash that like button. Let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Score all the cool stuff at your sponsor. Get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, It's really, really nice quality. Hard to find. I eat a lot. Magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.